again, it is Kelly with the Soaping Soprano, and today we're making soap once again. So today I've got my melted oils cooled down and my lye water solution, and I am ready to mix it up and get going. So let's get started. So I've got my three colors separated off. I haven't mixed them yet. This one will be blue, and it's probably going to need some titanium dioxide to make it a little less blue. I want it to be a light blue. This is the Klein Blue from Nurture Soap. This is going to be gray. It is our satin gray pillowcase from Mad Micas, and then I have white with our titanium dioxide, not dioxide. Silly. And I am fragrancing this with the white tea and ginger. Now, if you've been watching for a little while, you know I'm doing kind of a gemstone inspired line. So based on the colors, I think you can probably guess that this one is going to be Sapphire. And you're right. So I'm going to blend these up. I'll see if this needs more titanium dioxide, and if so, I'll add it. And then I'll be ready to pour. Follow Katie over at Royalty Soaps, and if you don't, I suggest you do. She's great. She's been doing this thing lately that kind of combines an in the pot swirl with a drop swirl, and it's sort of fascinating to me, so I thought I'd try it out on this one. So this is my base color, and I'm going to use this for the in the pot swirl color, and then reserve just a tiny bit for the top, and then this gray will be my drop swirl. So I'm going to pour in some of my in the pot swirl colors and watch them mix so pretty. And then we'll hold back and I'll add in some of the gray for the drop swirl, and I'm going to pour it from kind of high, down one side, down the other side, up the middle, and I'm going to do it a lot closer so that there's some depth to it and it's not just all at the bottom. And we'll reserve a little of that for the top too. And then we'll pour in the rest of our blue and white mix. Now we're going to Jackson Pollock the top a little bit. The one thing about this is it kind of makes a mess if you miss. And I frequently miss. So there you go. Let me get that out of the way. See, it's messy. So these I made an embeds for as well. Here they go. They look nice and faceted. And I used this one right here off of this mold. Actually, these two are the same. I used both of them. And I found that at the local craft store, of course. Now I can't find a place to put it. Well, it's going there. So now I'm going to put these in, and then we'll be ready to move on. Sometimes I just get the giggles and I'm silly. Today is that day. Ooh, he's sinking. That's a little more liquidy than I thought it was going to be. Well, these are going to go in. You live and you learn. That needed to be thicker to support that. I learned. So let's spritz it, and then I'll clean up the goodness kind of mess I've got going on over here. And then in a few days, we'll be back to cut it. All right, we're back to cut our Sapphire loaf. So we got it all lined up. We're ready to cut and see what kind of fun swirls we got in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. Each bar has a single embed on it, which is precisely what I was going for. Alright, and let's see. Okay. You can see I cut some of the one beside it, but not too much. Wasn't exactly what I was anticipating, but I do like it. I actually kind of like the chunks that you can see. It's kind of cool. And fun. Overall blue with some gray and white veining, I guess. That's what I'll call it, the veining. For the swirls. And it smells wonderful. The white tea and ginger is one of my favorite scents. Just in general. It smells so nice and clean. Kind of, oh, I love the way that kind of swirl goes. And then the end pieces. This one's a little on the hefty side, but that's okay. Alright. So those are our Sapphire soaps. We'll see you then. Bye!